Hello, I'm going to go through with you the tutorial on how to make the raised letter keychain for my class. This is year 2018. So you click on create new design. Once that comes up, please click on the name file up here. Change it to your first initial of your first name. Change it to your last name, space, keychain. And then hit return. As we go through this tutorial, please play a few instructions from the video, pause the video, do them on Tinkercad, and then come back to the video. The next step, you're going to click on the box where we're going to make the base of the keychain. You're going to put it on a square, a line where a couple go together. It's not really important if it's somewhere in the center here. Then you're going to click on this box, and we already want the depth at 20, so that one is already correct. The other one, I'm going to click in the box and type in 85. So this keychain is going to be 85 long, and I want it only 6 tall. So I click on the box at the top here, I type in 6 and hit return. So the box is finished. Once you get this done, or pause this video and complete this much. The next step is putting the cylinder or hole in the keychain so the chain can pass through it. So I select the whole cylinder and bring it over, and then I'm going to click the corner and change this cylinder, or the hole should be 12, and I hit return by 12 and return, and then I'm going to put this onto the keychain. Now I want to make sure that's kind of centered here, so it should be like 6 millimeters or so it lines up. So I'm zooming in. I'm also going to right click on a mouse, or you can click up here to change it to the right side so it does it quickly, and you can look to see if it's kind of centered up so it's the same on both sides. I got it pretty close, might not be exact. You also want a good 2 or 3 millimeters here from the edge for the plastic, so that when this builds up, it won't be weak here, that the keychain would pull out through the center of there, right? The next step, with the side angle, I click on the cylinder, left click, and I'm going to use the arrow now at the top and pull it down to go through the block so I can see it below. I'm just making sure we have a complete hole. Now if I right click and rotate up, I'm going to left click over in the corner and select all of what I've designed so far, and then I'll click group right there. So when you hit group, you put the hole in there. Please pause and complete that amount. The next item, we're going to put text onto the screen. It doesn't matter what color, like if I change the color of this thing to blue, it won't matter. It will print in whatever color is in the printer. So the next thing, I'm going to hit text and put text down here, and that text, you're going to type here whatever you want to put that's school appropriate. Like oftentimes people put their last name in order to put it on their computer bag so somebody doesn't else take their computer bag by accident, or people put their favorite sport or something they're interested in, but doing a tag for your computer bag is a pretty good use of the keychain. So whatever you want to do, I'm going to type in Tipton just for this example. And you can do all caps, or you can do upper and lower case. And you notice it's much bigger than my keychain. So the way to make sure this is accurate, that it fits here, remember this depth of this thing is 20. So if I click the corner, I can type this down. I don't want it right on it. I want to put it underneath it. So I'm going to type this at 18 for depth and hit return. And then, whoops, I was wrong. Yeah, that's right, 18. Sorry, wasn't thinking quite right on that. So that's 18 for the depth. And then at the bottom, the whole thing's 85, but we have the circle there. So you want to change that down to 60 and hit return. If you look at the side view, this is way too tall. So we want to click here and reduce this down to 8 so we have just 2 millimeters sitting above the surface. So if I right click and pull this up, I'm going to move this onto here. But I want to leave 1 millimeter, that's this right here. So underneath I want 1 millimeter here and 1 millimeter at the top. So it's even between the two. Once you got it positioned where you kind of like it, you can put a box around it all, and you're going to hit group. Now this whole thing, the whole height of it, you want to check it before you bring it up to me. The C should be 8 tall, and it should be 85 by 20. And you should have your name, your first initial, your last name, and keychain. I will check it, and then I'll have you export it as an STL file. I'll just show you this part. So you end up exporting it, you'll hit STL, and then you'll save that file. And when you find that file, it's going to download it. And when you find the download, that STL file will have that name. I'll say STL. That's what you'll upload to Google Classroom, and then I'll be able to print it. That's the end of this tutorial.